want to do test shots of the wall just to make sure that gun is working. If your gun is not working, then raise your hand. If you'll please lean back away from the glass and watch your head.
Coming up.
I just want to take test